What made China, China, it's not easy. Without this capability of invention of our own cultural identity, it's difficult to understand the contemporary China.
China's starting to evolve what China defines as modernization.
The beginning of opening up and reform under Deng Xiaoping, where he launched China on a miracle process of change.
China was the only country I could think of that had a stable system capable of successful long-term economic planning and implementation.
To understand China, you have to understand globalization.
Came together with a set of common needs. It's very symbiotic.
帮助国际社会更好读懂中国，读懂中国共产党，面向世界讲好中国故事。读懂中国系列纪录片《An Expression of China》正式上